Alright, I'm going to be talking about how to compress files. Actually, two issues. I'm going to be talking about if you have a PowerShell or a command prompt pop up on your computer and it causes problems. I'm going to be talking about that real quick. And I'm going to be talking about how to compress files on an MP4 file. I'll talk about that, the compression, here in just a second. If you have issues on your computer where there's a PowerShell pop-up or a command prompt pop-up on your computer, it can create problems. Especially if you're doing videos and things like this, or playing video games. I can tell you what you need to do. You need to go to Norton VPN. I believe that's the name of the company. I'm actually with them. I've got a deal with them, and you have to be an existing customer. And you need to sign up for a program. It's on a monthly basis, and it's like $19 a month. You don't have to do it every month. Just do it when you have an issue. And you can pay on a prepaid credit card. And I was going to be looking up to see what the name of the actual thing that you need to ask for. This is what they told me on the phone. And the people that answer the phone, a lot of these have an accent. Let's see what it says here. But it's a technical support thing that you pay once a month, and you'll save a lot of money. It's like $19 to $20 a month. Normally, people take their computers or have their computers remote access, repair, or fix from a local computer store or some other businesses. It would cost you between $100 to $150 to $200 an hour, and you're throwing away money when you do that. So what you need to do is be an existing company. I can't speak for other companies, but you need to get with Norton VPN, sign up for the online support, technical support deal, and they can fix it for you. They will actually remote access, with your permission, your computer, and they will fix the problem. Do not pay attention to the YouTube videos to tell you how to a step-by-step instruction on how to fix the PowerShell command prompt issue. Trust me, they don't know what they're talking about. I've tried it. It doesn't work. It's best that you leave it up to the professionals to take care of the problem. And trust me, it would only cost you between $19 to $20. That's a big savings compared to paying $100 to $200. And believe me, trust me, you'll find out the hard way. It's better to do it that way instead of doing what they say on YouTube videos, because they don't know what they're talking about. Trust me, I've been down that road. All right, now we're going to be talking about how to compress files. I selected the Handbrake. It's actually the best system out there. I'm going to do a step-by-step instruction on how to do this. When you download Handbrake, okay, and you're able to get it on your desktop computer, okay, and do not put Handbrake on your phone, your Android or iPhone. Trust me, a lot of people make these mistakes of putting a lot of stuff on your phone, and you get viruses on your phone. I'd advise people, the only thing to put on your phone would be limited things like Zello, walkie-talkie app, and also, of course, your phone. But I would not put anything on there where you could actually work on websites or anything like that, or or anything like that. Don't put too many things on your phone. Trust me, you don't want a virus on your phone. All your applications, whatever you need to put it on your desktop. Okay? And it's a bigger screen. It's not like a real small little screen on your Android. People make these mistakes. They put everything on their phone. You need to put your Facebook and all these things on your desktop. Zello, I can understand putting Zello on your phone and just have your phone number, stuff like that, and have access to the different websites and stuff, but don't set up an account like Facebook or Twitter or anything like that on your Android phone. Leave that to your desktop or your laptop, okay? Because if you put it on your phone, eventually you're going to come up with some problems, and then putting in a password and everything else. You better just leave it on your desktop. Trust me, I've been down that road. I have an Android phone, and I don't want the issues I have that I have on my desktop to be put on my phone. Trust me. And I just have the Norton VPN set up on my desktop, not my phone, because I don't have a Facebook account on my phone, or I don't have any other accounts on my phone, because that's not a good place to put it. On Handbrake right here, where we're going to get to this, what you need is, if you get it downloaded, you need to take the file, the video file, and you simply put it right here where it says drop file. You click over here, and it says right here MP4, all that. You'll see a thing over here under format. It'll say web optimized. Click web optimized. Okay. You don't do anything else other than that. Then you click where it says video. Click on video. And you look at it, okay? You click on it where it says 30 right there, the frame rate. There's a drop down box. Make sure it says same as source. Then you click constant frame rate. Then you go over here where it says quality. Now it'll show 22. You need to change it to 23. You have to do exactly what I'm telling you on this. Then you go over here where it says encoder options. You need to click it down where it says slow. So it'd be slow, 23 RF, same as source, and constant frame rate. Then down here where it says save as, you need to click where it says browse. Right here it says in blue, you need to delete that and put what you want on there. It's file. Okay, then you press save. Then you go up here where it says start to encode. You click. Down here it'll say prepare to encode. And you'll see it. You'll go from here. The green will go from here to over here. And you just gotta wait. You just gotta be patient. Now, because I have a website, it has a limited memory per file, and that's the reason why I'm doing this, because this is a really good thing to have. And after I compress it, I can actually upload it anytime I make a video or whatever. It solves the problem. And it's still working right now. And you can see, like I said, in the bottom left hand corner, you can see the green moving over. And I've done this so many times that you know, I know how to do it. I show people how to do it, but you got to do it exactly the way I tell people, the way I tell you on this, how to do it. And trust me, you don't want to deviate. From this process. I'm just waiting and see. Now, while we're waiting, like I said, on PowerShell pop-ups or command prompt pop-ups, you really need to get Norton VPN and sign up for the technical support thing, which is I think it's $19 or $20 a month, and all you got to do is just pay for it the one time. I don't know about the other thing like viruses or anything like that, what they could do for you. I'd have to find out from them, and I'll get back with you on that and tell you on future videos. But I will tell you this, as far as PowerShell pop-ups and command prompt pop-ups, I'm just telling you from experience based on what happened a couple of days ago, and I've had this issue for at least a month. I was just waiting to see, and I basically had to put up with this PowerShell thing. It's created an issue. I was going to spend over $100 or more to fix the problem from a local computer place, and it would have been a big mistake. So I started asking questions. From Norton and asked him, is there anything they could do to help me out? It's a good thing I called them a couple of days ago, and they told me all I'd had to do is pay them $19 or $20 or something like that, and they could resolve the issue. I mean, you got to wait on the phone. It is a little bit of a wait time, but you got to be patient. It's not a super long time, but you got to wait a little bit, and then wait, and you explain to them what the issue is, and they give you a case number. You got to write it down, and then they'll help you out. Now, like I said, sometimes it's hard to understand what they're saying. I advise you turn your speakerphone on your phone so you can hear what they're saying. You got to pay attention and do exactly what they tell you to do. And they do the best they can as far as speaking English. Like I said, sometimes it's hard to understand what they're saying, but you got to listen to them. And if they're not loud enough, tell them to speak up a little bit. And like I said, you need to activate your speakerphone. You know, but you got to do exactly what they tell you to do. But you got to be an existing customer of Norton VPN in order to sign up for this thing. And like I said, getting back to the handbrake thing, I had to get this on my computer, my desktop computer, because if I'm uploading a video on the website that I have, that I didn't have to pay a lot this year because I went to a different hosting company, and it has a limited limited thing limited memory on per file, as far as video file, I have to compress it, because usually the videos I make are over 5 minutes long. Usually 5 minutes or under, you might be able to load it. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. But if it's over 5 minutes, especially over 5 minutes, you have to compress the file and do as I instructed on this video. As we're waiting right now, it looks like it's got a lot of memory to it, but it doesn't lose any kind of video or audio quality. But it's great, you know. But like I said, you know, you need to get with Norton VPN, because they'll help you out. And I might add, as I said before, or say this, there's no need to get it to have it more than one device, unless you have another, like a laptop or another desktop. You don't have to put it on your phone. It's ridiculous to have a virus protection on your phone. Some people put a lot of stuff on their phone. I advise you not to put anything on there. Just like if it's YouTube or anything like that, or social media, don't put anything on social media like Facebook on your phone. It should be from desktop or laptop only. And trust me, you want to save as much money as you can, and you don't want it, like I said, if you do it on your desktop, okay, and then like if you have an issue on your phone, like a virus, it would be a nightmare to have technical support to fix a problem on your phone. So you don't want to have a virus problem on your phone. And to avoid that, like I said, don't put social media platforms on there or anything like that on your phone, or do anything on your phone like that. You just need to keep it, like if it's Zello or something like that. I don't have any accounts on my phone except Zello. That's a walkie-talkie app, and then I just use it to make. I have Zello and I Dual. That's a video app where I can call people on. Other than that, that's the only two things I have on my phone. I can surf the internet, like YouTube on there, you know, and I also have another thing where I can watch television, different programs on my phone. But there's no chance, like I said, there's no chance I could get virus on my phone, because like I said, I don't have any kind of social media platforms on my website apart from Zello and Dual, and that's not really, I don't count that like Facebook or Twitter or anything like that. I don't have Twitter on my phone. I don't have any of those things. That I have that on my desktop, and I'd be on the phone with my phone, my Android phone, with technical support, and they remote access my computer and they can fix it. But doing it on your phone, no, that's something you don't want to go down that road, trust me. And people do that, you know. And that's just my personal opinion. I just use my phone for YouTube. Watching YouTube videos, or very limited. I use it as a communications device. I don't use it to for Facebook or anything. Some people use it for Facebook and stuff like that, and that's fine and dandy, but if you ever come across a virus, you're going to find out it's going to be a nightmare. It'd be better to have it on your desktop or your laptop, because they could fix it a lot easier. Okay, right now it's about to complete. You can see the green. Okay, right here it's completed. It said the query finished. The next thing you need to do is take over here where it says open source. Click open source. And you click where it says file, open a single file, video file. Click on that. And you'll see a pop-up. I don't know if it'll show it. I'll delete this other one here. And you just simply drop it and put this on your desktop. And then you just click at the top, and that's it. That's all there is to it. You take that file, the video file, and just simply put it on your website, and that's it. Upload it.